guys, this is my vlog. While I was cleaning, my package has arrived. This is my notebooks because I'm pasukan na. You're gonna translate that. And we're gonna open this. Scissors. Let's get scissors. Scissors. Oh. Where is the scissors? I'm crying. I think my mom's gonna open it. But I am gonna open it! Open! Oh, I poked a small hole. Small hole. Mama, pwede ka muna din mag-map po, please. Let's open. I'm gonna clean this mess. Let me get my chair because I don't want to stand looking like I'm gonna say something. Open. Opening time. Was that the cut? But this is the cut. I hate double wrap. Oh no. Oh my god. That's so cool. Oh. These aren't even cool girls. Oh. Wait, I think I'm trusting TikTok. I ordered this from TikTok shop. It says schoolgirl.
Tingin, maganda.
Wait! I have not fully opened it.
Mapokot ka.
Yes!
Maganda.
Oh my God! Diba, mami, diba sabi ko sa'yo yung dapat.
Huwag mo nang ano. Huwag mo.
Oh my God! It's such a cool girl!
Selena!
It's my
Selena! Ano din?
Okay.
Selena!
AS.
Halika! Huwag mong tanggalin yan. Halika. Oo, kasi may cartoon character. Kaya...
Tama yung ano ko eh.
Naka-yarn na.
Naka-yarn na.
Tama yung ano ko po.
Maganda yung mga ganito eh.
Mami, diba tama po yung...
Magkano to?
158.
Oh, lahat na to?
Lahat yan. 10.
Iba-iba pa din.
Anong size kaya ang plastic cover nito? Medium o large?
Oh, look at the inside.
Ang hirap mag-isip. Ano kasi?
I'm the one who decided to buy this and my mom bought it. Thanks to
Large na
Mama.
lang nung. Para kahit sumubra, gupitin na lang.
This is what
Adhesive eh.
this is
Ididikit mo
what
na
I
lang siya.
wanted and my mom bought it.
Adhesive.
Thanks to Mama.
Adhesive.
Mama,
Ang sunod sticker.
Mama. Diba tama yung ano ko? Trust your guts.
Mga ano kasi to, mga cartoon.
Blue nga yes!
Magaganda.
Yes, ready na sa school.
Oh my God!
Ayan, di ba?
A cute kitty kitty! Oh my God, a cute kitty kitty!
Oh, ayan
Oh!
mo yan. Sabi mo na.
Oh my God.
Ay,
Wait.
so, huwag mo alas mo dito. Iba ko dito. Huwag kang maingay kay daddy na may notebook ka na ha. Para magbibigay kay daddy ng pera ha.
Yes.
Naintindihan mo?
Yes! I know.
Ilagay mo na yung doon.
Tama. Diba tama? Sabi ko sa'yo maganda to eh.
Notebook niya.
Pakita natin.
Ayun, nakayara na siya. Design yan? Oh,
Parehas na
Kapinili
color.
ko yung may mga ganyan.
Mami,
Para,
parehas yung yarn dito sa notebook ko. Put it back. Say cheese. Meow.
may bag naman ang isusunod ko.
Bag! Travel with my bestie. Let's go. Let's fix this. Ah,
Ilagay mo na yun.
this is kind of heavy, not gonna lie. Hey. Ah. Let's hide this in my cartoon. Okay, we did it. Now we are gonna mop. Clean with me. Let's go clean. Let me put.
Yung susi first, ha?
Yes, I know. I got it from the laundry area, you know. It's a mop.
Chloe, mas maganda tong bag na to, Chloe. Oh.
Ano mas maganda? What?
Ito, oh.
Ano yan? Hindi naman ata yung bag.
Lang. Kahintay. Parang, yan ang kaya ko. Matutong mag-ano.
Ano?
Ito, oh.
Ay, matching sa ano, kapibara ko. Mami.
Hindi na yata kailangan bumili ng gano'n kasi marami ng pakit-pakit, oh. Tingnan mo, halika.
Ah.
Hindi na kailangan. Ayan, oh.
Oh yes, you're right.
Diba?
Yes.
So, ito na lang. Maganda pa.
Yes. May lagayan ng pencil, may lagayan ng ballpen, may lagayan ng eraser, may
Huwag na
lagayan ng glue.
Huwag na yung pink. Ito na lang para maiba naman, no?
Yeah. I wanna try different colors too because you always buy my favorite color. I know it's my favorite, but I wanna try other colors because I haven't tried them yet. I wanna try them because I've never tried a different one. But my Labubu bag, even though it's colorful, the background is pink, so that is why I want to try different things, like capybaras or this. I know that. Is this enough, Mommy?
Hindi pa. Ayusin mo.
Why? You betrayed me. You betrayed me. Eh. Ay, tulo. Okay. Let's mop it again. Bang, 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 bang. Till I take you down, down, down. I want you to the ground. Bang, bang, bang. Till I take you down, 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 down. I want you to the ground. Bang, 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 bang. Till I take you down, down, down. I want you to the ground. Bang.
Diba? Mas maganda yung brown o pink. Maganda yung brown, diba?
Brown! Kahit anong gusto mo. Kahit gusto ko yung pink, yung capybara na lang, dahil ikaw yung nanay, kaya yun na lang. Pares naman sila, madami namang papat, di ba? Pares sila mga papat, so yes, I will choose your opinion, not mine. Even though it's
Hindi
mine.
saka dumihin yung pink. Mabilis lang madumihan.
Yes! Yes! Kahit walang gulong, no? Okay lang yun, dahil paano ko lalagay sa upuan ko? Eh di madudumi ang upuan ko, nalinisan. Eh, ibababa ko na lang, madudumihan din naman. Pero down, it makes you wanna shout. What? Okay na? Put this away.
Puro pink ka na lang kasi. Mag-iba ka naman. Mula nung ano, puro pink yung bag mo.
Yes.
Wala naman.
Order mo na yung bag ko? Yes! Guys, my mom's ordering my bag! I'm so excited. I'm gonna... Oh no. The water.
Huwag kang maingay kay daddy ha. Para makakuha tayong pera. Naintindihan mo?
Yes! Yes, yes. Ah! Ah!
Sabi ko, Chloe, may mamapin pa dito.
Okay. Oh no. Late.